Well, I think it's just a great event. So it's one of the biggest events in Europe so far, and we are fully satisfied with the audience and the interest in our stand as well. So fully happy. Copenhagen is a nice city. The weather is not always that great, but nevertheless, I think it's a good place for doing such a conference. Well, I think there's a lot going on in the banking industry, in financial services and technologies. Everybody feels that there's big changes coming. We also see here that the majority of the audience is related to payments. We make a mobile advertising platform we make a digital advertising platform for mobile payments. And we are interested in integrating with payment providers, with wallet providers, POS providers. So what we see, for example, here at the conference is that a lot of new POS terminals coming out, which are programmable. So you can deploy apps on that, and we are very interested to integrate with these new suppliers. We create a marketplace where, on the one hand side, publishers can put offers, advertisements into the platform. And then on the other hand, the most relevant ads and offers are triggered by a payment. So if a user of a mobile wallet, for example, comes to a merchant and pays with the wallet, the most relevant next best offer would be triggered from the system and presented to that user. The same with POS terminals, the same with MPOS and other new payment devices. One example, you're buying coffee at Starbucks, for example. You pay with your mobile wallet. And then the bookstore just across the street would have an offer for you ready, and the bookstore linked the offer to Starbucks customers. So you as a Starbucks customer pay with your wallet, and then the bookstore would send you an offer. If you come across now, we would have a discount for you because you're a previous customer to us. So the system works in real time, instant, and is really related to the new payment methods, which are also instant, real time, and relevant. I think a lot moves towards instant payments, towards real time, and it really complies with what users want to see. They want the most relevant message immediately. So the times of pages full of coupons or websites where you have to look for the most relevant information, these times I think are over. So you need to be able to really push the most relevant message to the consumer, to the customer in real time. And in that regard, we see the whole industry moving towards this direction. Everything becomes online, everything becomes digital. Customer insight is a very important subject, and also integrating with each other. So we see marketplaces coming into life everywhere, also in the payment industry. We see new players coming into the industry, and we see a new ecosystem being created where we want to be a main player in terms of advertising and offers. Yes, we see. For example, Alipay coming into the market. Yeah, amazing. Yeah. So I think competition is always good to move the industry forward. You can see that there's a change situation now where everybody probably is still looking around where to go. But definitely it will change over the next years, and we will see a different industry in 2-3 years as we see it now. Well, we are rolling out our marketplace for instant digital advertising for mobile payment right now in different markets in Europe, UK, Germany, France, and we're also looking towards the US. So we're now also extending our presence in the United States, and we're looking for a rollout in the States later this year.